Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet axolotl. For this, the materials you are going to need are chunky wool in 2 colours and a small amount of white and black, stuffing, a 6mm hook, scissors, wool needle, stitch marker and safety eyes on their backs. We'll be starting off with the head and body. Using the first colour, for round 1 you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, you'll do 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. For round 3, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. For round 4, you'll do 2 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 24 single crochets. From rounds 5 to 14, you'll do 24 single crochets all the way around. I recommend that you pause here to complete rounds 5 to 14. Then you'll add in safety eyes between rounds 7 and 8. For round 15, you'll do 2 single crochets and 1 decrease 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. For round 16, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times, leaving you with 12 single crochets. Then you'll start stuffing the head and body until it feels firm. For round 17, you'll do 6 decreases, then you'll slip stitch and fasten off. Then using a wool needle, you'll sew up the hole. Moving on to making the tail. In the first colour, for round 1, you'll do 3 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, you'll do 3 increases, leaving you with 6 single crochets. For round 3, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times, leaving you with 9 single crochets. For round 4, you'll do 2 single crochets and 1 increase 3 times, leaving you with 12 single crochets. From rounds 5 to 8, you'll do 12 single crochets all the way around. And for round 9, you'll do 2 single crochets and 1 decrease 3 times, and then slip stitch and fasten off. Then you'll stuff the tail until it feels firm. Moving on to the legs. Using the first colour for round 1, you'll chain 6 and fasten off, and you'll make 4 of these. Now the final part to make, the gills. Using your second colour for part 1, you'll chain 4. Then for part 2, you'll do 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, then chain 3. For part 3, you'll do 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet, and then slip stitch. For part 4, you'll do 1 single crochet and chain 3. For part 5, you'll do 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet, and then slip stitch. For part 6, you'll do 1 single crochet and chain 3. And for part 7, you'll do 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet, and then slip stitch and fasten off. And remember to make 4 of these. Moving on to the final part, the assembly. You'll start by attaching the tail to the bottom of the body. Then you'll attach 2 of the gills to the bottom of the tail. Then you'll attach the remaining 2 gills to the top sides of the head. Then you'll attach the legs to the body by folding them in half. And finally, you'll add a little mouth with white or black wool. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials weekly. If you have any ideas for crochet patterns or crochet tutorials you would like me to make, I'm always open to suggestions if you just leave a comment down below.